Everyone, this is Vijay Hansora. This is my friend's Hero Honda Pleasure. As everybody knows, I'm a DIY sort of guy. I like to get my hands dirty. So this Hero Honda had a Pleasure where it used to stay like this. First I thought it was a spring issue, but as you can see, it does have the spring action. So I knew there was some other problem, and so I opened up the case. As you can see, there are few bolts here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 bolts in total. So I opened it. I'm not gonna waste my time showing how to open this, but you can fairly open this up with a 8 mm bit. So once you open this up, I'm just gonna take out the problematic part. So I don't know how far you can see, but if you can see, there is a cut here. Exactly, look at this part. So somehow this gear, I would like to show you this gear which goes up and down is the one. Let me see. Do you see that? So that gear goes up and down, but for some reason this got torn off, or I don't know, whatever, it cracked. So I got a replacement part. I got it for 250, and the entire set of nuts and bolts, as there is not too much of grease and oil inside running around, so no need to change the gasket as of now, but ideally we would prefer changing the gasket. Now the reason why I did this, first off, I'm a DIY guy. I love to do this. I like to get my hands dirty. Second thing, the repair guy said it's going to cost me somewhere around 800 to 1200 at least. So I'm sure by the time I go back to him, he's going to say this is broken and there's a problem. We did the servicing and all, and he's $1,000, and I got it for 285, including the 35 rupees of nuts and bolts. So here's the entire thing. I got this part, as you can see, 260, but I got it for 250 bucks. And the entire set of nuts and bolts. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you exactly how, because, okay, let me see if I can just put this camera back in. This is the part, it goes right here. Now there was a visor. I hope I can. There you go. So this is the visor. Now I'll just show you the moment if I could. This is how it happens. And sometimes if the spring is broken, then there you go. This is the good part, and this is the broken part. This is good. So I have to remove the springs from this, put it on this one. There you go. It's done. So this is how it works. See? Definitely have to figure out I hope it is visible to you guys. Look at my hands. Show you, because this is some sort of air inlet or something. This part was already broken, but you have to remove this assembly. Just never tighten all the bolts, like completely. Just do it. Let all go in slowly. There's actually a pattern which I normally follow. It's like up and down, opposite, but this one is fine so far. So I close that again. I have just done a mark here, just to see. The issue is fixed. See. The kicker should come up. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching this, guys. If you do like my video, enjoy my video, please let me know. If I could help you out, I would love to help you in these kind of issues. Only if I have things in my hand, which I mean by something which is gone bad, I would love to do this. So thank you very much for watching again, and share, like and subscribe to my channel Vijay Hansora. Thank you very much.